Welcome to another episode of the NewsRamp Technology Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, excited to bring you today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we gather the latest business news from the best sources, ensuring you stay updated and engaged. Before we begin, a quick reminder. This podcast features AI-assisted production and voices, but the news we present is genuine, with full stories available on newsramp.com. Today is Tuesday evening, June 17th, 2025, and we've curated a fantastic selection of technology news just for you. So whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing, stay tuned, and let's dive right in. Let's kick things off with our first headline.
AI news breaks Blue Sky AI Inc. OT to upgrade to OTCID tier on July 1st, signaling stronger market position. Blue Sky AI Inc. will upgrade to the OTCID tier on July 1st, 2025, signaling stronger market positioning. The transition reflects enhanced reporting, compliance, and transparency standards, marking a milestone in the company's strategic growth. Recent achievements include modular AI data center expansion, new infrastructure partnerships, a GPU as a service launch, and improved financial governance. CEO Trent D'Ambrosio emphasized the upgrade underscores Blue Sky AI's commitment to investor confidence and long-term value creation, seeking broader market visibility and access to capital. For more information, visit blueskyadatacenters.com.
Jupiter Neurosciences pioneers dual strategy in biotech for neurodegenerative diseases and financial stability. Jupiter Neurosciences Inc. is leading the way in the biotech industry with a dual strategy focused on tackling neurodegenerative diseases and ensuring financial stability. Their innovative approach includes Jotrol, a groundbreaking formulation of resveratrol designed to combat key factors in diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. With strategic patent protections in place until 2036, Jupiter Neurosciences is also introducing Nugevia, a consumer product line targeting the longevity market. By balancing drug development with consumer products, the company is setting a new standard for sustainability in biotech. This approach not only benefits patients in need, but also serves as a blueprint for other biotech firms looking to achieve both scientific breakthroughs and economic success.
Europe witnesses a resurgence in electric vehicle sales amidst previous slowdown. The electric vehicle market in Europe is experiencing a resurgence after a period of slowed growth and consumer hesitancy. This positive trend is a relief for manufacturers and stakeholders in the green energy sector, as it indicates a possible turning point for EV adoption in the region. Factors like charging infrastructure, vehicle affordability, and consumer confidence in EV technology play crucial roles in influencing purchasing decisions. Companies in the EV space, such as Massimo Group, stand to benefit from this renewed consumer interest. However, long-term success depends on addressing underlying issues to ensure sustained growth towards a more sustainable future in transportation. Erzia and Acetec forged strategic partnership to enhance RF and microwave technology access in Southern California. Erzia and Acetec have formed a strategic partnership to enhance RF and microwave technology access in Southern California. This collaboration aims to provide high-reliability RF systems and subsystems for industries such as defense, space, SATCOM, and electronic warfare. The partnership leverages Acetec's localized expertise and Erzia's global innovation to meet the stringent demands of these sectors. This alliance signifies a trend of global technology leaders localizing operations to better serve regional markets. The upcoming showcase at the International Microwave Symposium in San Francisco is expected to highlight the potential of this collaboration to set new standards in the RF and microwave technology sector, reinforcing Erzia's position as a leader in supporting cutting-edge missions. Accredited Solutions, Inc. shifts focus to blockchain and AI for telecom settlements. Accredited Solutions, Inc. has announced a strategic pivot towards blockchain and AI for telecom settlements, acquiring its B-Chain to lead in fintech and telecom solutions. This move aims to enhance efficiency and security in carrier settlements, with a focus on fraud reduction and settlement time optimization. CEO Eduardo Brito emphasized the transformative potential of this partnership, positioning ASII at the forefront of a rapidly evolving sector. The decision to shift focus away from the Globetopper acquisition reflects ASII's commitment to pursuing high-value opportunities. As ASII prepares to finalize its financial audit, the ITSB Chain partnership is expected to not only enhance market position, but also drive broader adoption of blockchain and AI solutions in the telecom industry.
Lantern Pharma Inc. reports significant clinical breakthrough in NSCLC treatment. Lantern Pharma Inc. achieves a major milestone in NSCLC treatment as a patient in its Phase 2 Harmonic TM trial achieves a durable, complete response. The patient, a 70-year-old never smoker, had failed previous therapies but saw a 57% reduction in tumor size and complete resolution of lesions with LP300. This success showcases the potential of Lantern's RAR AI platform to offer new hope for NSCLC patients with limited options. The patient remains progression-free after nearly 2 years of treatment, demonstrating the efficacy and safety of LP300. Lantern Pharma's innovative approach using AI in drug development could revolutionize cancer treatment, particularly for underserved segments like never smokers. This breakthrough highlights the future of personalized and effective treatment options, with the potential to reduce time and costs in bringing new therapies to market. The oncology community eagerly anticipates more breakthroughs from Lantern Pharma's AI platform.
Jupiter Neuroscience's innovative strategy in biotech, a dual approach to tackling neurodegenerative diseases and ensuring financial sustainability. Jupiter Neurosciences Inc. is taking a unique dual approach in the biotech industry. They are not only developing treatments for neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, but also launching a direct-to-consumer product line for financial sustainability. At the core of their efforts is Jotrol, an enhanced resveratrol formulation with promising therapeutic effects. With patents secured until 2036, Jotrol is a significant asset. Meanwhile, their consumer product line, Nugivia, taps into the longevity market and provides a steady revenue stream. By diversifying their sources of income, Jupiter Neurosciences is mitigating financial risks and accelerating research into CNS disorders. This innovative strategy sets a precedent for sustainable business models in biotech, offering hope for patients worldwide. Study finds the overall prevalence of psoriasis in the U.S. unchanged. A recent analysis in the Journal of American Academy of Dermatology reveals that the prevalence of psoriasis in the U.S. has remained steady at 3% over the past decade. While this overall percentage has not changed, concerns remain about the number of individuals affected by this condition. Efforts to improve diagnostic services are crucial, as well as the development of effective treatments. Companies like Sologenics Inc., NASDAQ SNGX are actively engaged in research and development to address these challenges. For more information on the latest developments in the biotechnology and life sciences sectors, visit biomedwire.com.
Electric vehicle sales are rebounding in Europe. Electric vehicle sales in Europe are rebounding from several months of slowed adoption and outright boycotts of some EV brands. Although Europe is the second largest electric vehicle market, 2024 saw a growing number of European buyers refrain from EV purchases due to costs, range anxiety, and brand controversies. Recent data now shows that electric vehicle sales in Europe are seeing a resurgence, but EV adoption remains uneven across the continent. If this revived buyer interest is sustained across all markets, not just in Europe, many firms like Massimo Group, NASDAQ Memo, could see a marked uptick in demand.
Copper supply disparities grow as more shipments head to the U.S. The surge in demand for physical copper in America, ahead of potential import duties, is creating supply shortages in other parts of the world. Latest figures show that stocks on the London Metal Exchange have dropped to new lows as inventory continues to shrink. The copper supply crunch in other markets around the world could be a tailwind that drives even more investors towards companies like Aston Bay Holdings Limited, OTCQB ATBHF, that have properties with proven reserves.
England OK's teachers' use of AI while marking students' work. Teachers across England are being encouraged to use AI to handle repetitive tasks, according to new guidelines from the Department for Education. This growing acceptance of AI in educational institutions signals that AI solutions from enterprises like Thumbs Up Media Corp are likely to gain significant traction. AI Newswire is a specialized communications platform focusing on the latest advancements in artificial intelligence, providing access to a vast network of wire solutions, article syndication, press release enhancement, social media distribution, and tailored corporate communications solutions. For more information, visit ainewswire.com. Tech Media Breaks, Datavault AI Inc. NASDAQ DVLT launches biofuel crop optimization project with Brookhaven Lab. Datavault AI Inc., listed on NASDAQ as DVLT, has launched a biofuel crop optimization project in collaboration with Brookhaven National Laboratory. The project aims to increase fatty acid metabolism in canola using AI-driven multimodal machine learning systems. By leveraging high-performance computing and digital twin technology, the goal is to reduce the development time for commercially viable biofuel crops. With U.S. policy targeting the replacement of up to 140,000 barrels of crude oil per day with biofuels, Datavault AI is aligning its data monetization infrastructure to support scalable breakthroughs in renewable energy.
Heartbeam Inc.'s valid ECG study confirms high diagnostic accuracy of synthesized 12-lead ECG. Heartbeam Inc., a leader in medical technology, has announced the results of their valid ECG study, showcasing the high diagnostic accuracy of their synthesized 12-lead ECG device. The study, presented by Dr. Thomas Deering, demonstrated a 93.4% agreement with traditional ECG methods for arrhythmia assessment. This compact, credit card-sized device has the potential to revolutionize cardiac care outside of traditional medical settings. With FDA submission already underway, this innovative technology could improve patient care, reduce healthcare costs, and enhance accessibility to cardiac diagnostics globally. Stay tuned for the anticipated U.S. commercialization of Heartbeam's groundbreaking device.
Sologenics Inc., NASNGX, makes advancement in proprietary treatment for Behçet's disease. Sologenics Inc., listed on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol SNGX, has made significant progress in developing a proprietary treatment for Behçet's disease. This rare autoimmune disorder is characterized by inflammation of blood vessels, leading to symptoms such as painful mouth and genital ulcers, eye inflammation, and skin lesions. Sologenics has initiated a clinical trial to evaluate the safety, tolerability, and preliminary efficacy of SGX 945 in patients with oral ulcers. With limited treatment options available, Sologenics is at the forefront of developing innovative therapies to address the unmet needs of patients suffering from Behçet's disease.
ChatGPT outage highlights dependence on AI technologies. The recent outage of ChatGPT, a leading AI chatbot developed by OpenAI, has underscored the growing dependence on artificial intelligence technologies. Over a 10-hour period in June 2025, users worldwide faced disruptions impacting various activities. This incident has sparked discussions on the reliability and future of AI systems. As AI technologies become more integrated into daily operations, the outage serves as a reminder of their vulnerabilities. From developers seeking coding assistance to students using the tool for learning, the outage had a widespread impact. Tech companies like D-Wave Quantum Inc. are likely to review the incident to enhance system stability. This event highlights the importance of investing in resilient AI technologies to meet user demands. The outage also raises questions about preparedness for such disruptions, urging the tech industry to prioritize fail-safes and backup systems. In conclusion, the ChatGPT outage emphasizes the need for continuous improvement and collaboration to build more dependable AI systems for the future.
Heartbeam Inc. pioneers cable-free ECG system for at-home cardiac monitoring. Heartbeam Inc. has introduced a cable-free ECG system for at-home cardiac monitoring, a groundbreaking development in medical technology. This system generates a 12-lead ECG from 3D electrical signals in real time, allowing patients to record an ECG in just 30 seconds wherever they are. With FDA clearance for arrhythmia assessment and pending approval for 12-lead ECG synthesis, HeartBeam's partnership with AccurKardia enhances the system's capabilities. With 20 patents in hand, the company is poised for commercial launch, targeting a $500 million concierge segment and a larger patient pay market. By democratizing access to cardiac monitoring tools, HeartBeam's technology could lead to earlier detection of conditions, informed clinical decisions, and improved patient outcomes, revolutionizing cardiac care. Rock Breaks, ES Gold Corp OTCQB ESAUF, launches $3.3 million private placement to advance Montauban project. ES Gold Corp, listed on the CSESAU and on the OTCQB as ESAUF, has launched a $3.3 million private placement to advance its Montauban project. The non-brokered private placement offers units at $73 each, with each unit consisting of one common share and one share purchase warrant. The initial closing is set for June 20th, 2025, with proceeds intended for mill circuit construction, mobilization at the Montauban Gold-Silver Project, and general working capital. The placement is subject to Canadian Securities Exchange approval. ES Gold Corp is a fully permitted pre-production resource company focused on clean mining and exploration innovation, with the flagship Montauban property showcasing responsible mining practices and district-scale discovery potential. Biomed News breaks: Intelligent Biosolutions Inc., NBS, CEO highlights fingerprint drug testing on BiomedWire podcast. Intelligent Biosolutions Inc. CEO Harry Simeonidis recently discussed the company's fingerprint drug testing platform on the BiomedWire podcast. The technology detects drug use through sweat, offering faster and more affordable workplace screening. With deployments in 20 countries and an FDA application pending, INBS plans to enter the U.S. market in the second half of 2025. The company aims to expand through distributor partnerships and targeted marketing. INBS's intelligent fingerprinting drug screening system provides rapid, non-invasive testing for various drugs with results in under 10 minutes. This technology is valuable for employers in safety-critical industries such as construction and manufacturing.
Tech Media Breaks, Fingermotion Inc., NGR, partners with Chingling Motors to develop intelligent commercial vehicle solutions. Fingermotion Inc., FNGR, announced a partnership with Chingling Motors to develop intelligent commercial vehicle solutions targeting logistics and emergency response sectors. Chingling will lead vehicle design while Jugi Technology contributes software integration. The collaboration aims to improve efficiency and sustainability in commercial mobility with a focus on innovation, intellectual property sharing, and long-term growth, including international expansion and remote service ecosystems. To learn more, visit the Fingermotion website. Tech Media Wire is a communications platform focused on technology companies driving the future, offering access to a vast network of wire solutions and tailored corporate communications solutions. For more information, visit Tech Media Wire's website.
Investor news breaks: Foremost Clean Energy Lilith FFTST secures $4.5 million and extends national marketing campaign. Foremost Clean Energy Lilith has secured over $4.5 million through recent warrant and option exercises, strengthening its financial position. This funding will support ongoing exploration and drilling initiatives in the face of rising uranium prices and a projected supply deficit. The company is also extending its strategic investor awareness campaign with LFG Equities Corp., highlighting its unique position in the nuclear energy supply chain and exposure to Canada's Athabasca Basin. The campaign, running until December 31st, 2025, will utilize digital outreach and social media content to reach audiences across North America. For more information about Foremost Clean Energy Limited, visit www.foremostcleanenergy.com.
Why renewable energy glitches aren't necessarily signals of failure. Experts explain that glitches in renewable energy supply do not always signal failure in clean energy systems. When the Iberian Peninsula recently experienced a blackout lasting over 10 hours, concerns arose about renewable energy's role. Despite the region relying on more than 60% green sources, some speculated solar or wind systems were at fault. These challenges mirror early electric vehicle struggles, with current models like those from Mullen Automotive Inc., MLN, benefiting from past lessons. Investors can find updates on Mullen Automotive Inc., MUN, in the company's newsroom. Green Energy Stocks, a platform focusing on green economy companies, offers a range of communication solutions for businesses looking to reach diverse audiences and maximize impact.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Technology Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.